कहाँ आ गए हम। चलो आप लोग खुद ही देख लो। Hello everyone, this is Sadiksha and welcome to my channel Tiny Bits. So today out here it's a pretty grey morning. You can see at the back. Nevertheless, it's so beautiful, and you know, yesterday only I got to Kalimpong and especially for the hike. So yeah, today it's the hike day. So yeah, I'm really excited. We are all gathered here, and so from here we're gonna be hiking. So it's a 6 kilometer hike. So yeah, we're gonna have to hike up hills, and uphill is gonna kill us. Hopefully view from there is worth it. So basically we are going to be hiking up all the way down to the top mountain. So yeah, this should be fun. This is our first halt. So yeah, in this gigantic forest, as you can see. So here we will be doing briefing session for entire hike.
Namaste. Sewaro Khambimo Kabulo अनि तासिरीले अनि चाहिँ मेरो नाम चाहिँ सुशील छेत्री अनि म 26 इयर्स हो अनि मेरो एजको हिसाबले तपाईहरुले दाजु भाइ काका मामा जे होदा पनि हुन्छ है मलाई त्यस्तो केही प्रब्लम छैन अनि चाहिँ एकजनाको बिजी शेड्युल्सहरुलाई साइडमा लिएर पनि तपाईहरु आज आइदिनु भयो त्यसको लागि धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद अनि स्पेशल थ्यांक्स टु द टिम है सेट कालिम्पोङ जसले चाहिँ यो इनिसिएटिभ दिनुभयो कि क्रेन्स कालिम्पोङ क्रेन्स हाइकिङसँग मिलेर एउटा हाइकिङ अर्गनाइज गर्ने सो त्यसको लागि चाहिँ हामी क्रेन्सको तर्फबाट उहाँलाई पनि धेरै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छौँ चलिरहेको छ कतिजनाले महसुस गर्दैन बिकज देयर माइन्ड आर फोकस इन डिफ्रेन्ट थिङ है अनि चरा कराइरहेको हुन्छ कसैले फिलै गर्दैन सो त्यो कुरोहरूलाई ब्रेक गर्नुको निम्ति चाहिँ एउटा एक्टिभिटिज गर्नेछौँ बिफोर द्याट है कतिजनालाई हामीले नयाँ मान्छेहरू देखिरहेछौँ एकअर्का थाहा छैन को कता के हो नाम कता केही थाहा छैन सो एउटा ग्रुपमा लिएर आउनुको लागि चाहिँ क्विक नेम गेम गर्नेछौँ है अनि चाहिँ सबैले आफ्नो नाम बताउनेछ अनि त्यसमा चाहिँ जस्ट लाइक मैले मेरो नाम बताएँ अनि उहाँले उसको नाम बताउँछ प्लस मेरो नाम पनि बताउँछ सो लाइक वाइज उहाँले आफ्नो नाम बताउँछ प्लस मेरो नाम उहाँको नाम र उहाँको नाम पनि बताउँछ लाइक
आवाज विवेक सुजिता सुजाता सदीक्षा सुशील
शिवन आवाज विवेक सजिता सुजाता
I am Vivek, Priyankama, Sushila, Saina, Sadiksha, Sujata, Vivek, Simon.
Sanjila, Sushil, Shaina, Sadiksha, Sujata, Vivek, Nita, Sanjala, Vivek, Shivan, Awaz, Vivek, Sujata, Sadiksha, Saina, Sushil, Prinita, Sujala, Vivek, Shivan, Awaz, Vivek, Sujata Di, Sadiksha Di, Saina Di, Priyanka Di, Sushila. Thank you, Sushil. You the hike organized गर्नको लागि. So we have come from DM's office. So DM's office को जुन चाहिँ election, I think अहिलेसम्म सबैले you could read this see भनेर है. So this is a program which we are doing. This is systematic voters education and electoral participation. This program is basically started to bring all the voters to participate in the election process. So you all know that we are going to have this upcoming election on 17th of April. So we are doing different activities just to attract the people, let them know that we are our election is coming up भनेर and especially we are focusing on 3 categories of people. So one is women, another is people with disability, and another one is youth. Because over the years we have seen that women's though Kalimpong mata we have a good percentage, women ko percentage per thousand ma अलिकति बेसी नै छ तर अरू स्पेशली युथहरू एन्ड पिडब्ल्युडीजहरू पिपल विथ डिसेबिलिटीहरू सो बिकज अफ भेरियस रिजन्स उनीहरू चाहिँ भोट गर्नुको लागि उनीहरूको पार्टिसिपेसन त्यतिको 100% हुँदैन सो जस्ट टु एन्करेज देम अन्त उनीहरूको पर्सेन्टेज चाहिँ माथि लिनुको लागि वी आर डुइङ दिस एक्टिभिटी सो एज अ पार्ट अफ द्याट स्विप एक्टिभिटी वी हेभ अर्गनाइज दिस हाइक
When is the vote? Are you ready?
So we are all set for the another hall. So here's the gang. So say hi everyone.
Feel the cool air, inhale, exhale. Now I can see my life for the first time in some time, without judgment or expectations or budgets. I know that I'm susceptible to the show, 'cause I'm so close to the glitz and the glow. Yeah, it's hard not to chase the zeros when they're dangled in front of your nose.
So right now I'm on this spot. So yeah, view from here is amazing. So check out this one.
That's just the way that it goes in the games we play. It's all about the X's and O's. But down here by the water, none of that matters. All of those worries, they float away. It's gonna take me walking away for good. I know I'm capable of making a change, and maybe it's time that I should. Can't help but feel like I'm slowing down. I might miss my chance if I don't act now. Down here by the water.
So right now we are stopping at this place called Middle Portia. So yeah, view from here is amazing. So check out this one. It's so crazy, like we have been living here for 19 years and we have never been here like this. It is completely uncharted territory. So yeah, I'm just loving it.
Yes! When is the vote? 17th April. Are you ready?
ये हम हैं और ये हमारे हाइकर्स हैं और यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? इलेक्शन अवेयरनेस। We are on the way to Lindara and here the roads are newly made and now I'm super tired, super panting. As you can see, my face are red. So yeah. So I just stopped here to check out this view. So there are lots of beautiful scenic view and yeah, I'm just loving it. The hike is worth it. So we are stopping here for some organic snacks. So yeah, it's kind of shower. गर्नुभएको कसले रोप्नु भएको यो फुलहरू कस्तो राम्रो रोप्नु भएछ
Some of the old songs. This one.
खाना खानुभएको खाना खानुभएको ए
कहाँबाट हुनुभएको तपाईँ
यतै 6 माइलबाट
गन्डी आश्रम
हजुर हस् के भनिदिनुहोस् दा
सबैलाई स्वागत जनाउँछु हाम्रो हाइकिङ फ्रेन्ड्स हाइकिङ साथै एसपी अफिस र जुन चाहिँ मुहिम आएको छ है
हजुर
र आज चाहिँ हामीले फुड खाना प्रिपेयर गर्दैछ वन्डरफुल हामीले आफ्नो मन दिएर तन दिएर है
ए हजुर
इन्जोय गरिदिनुहोस् र हाम्रो गाउँ अनि आइपुगेकोमा धेरै धेरै स्वागत जनाउँछु अगेन र इन्जोय
हस् हुन्छ So here we are stopping here for the little rest. So I will take this time to introduce to the people I'm hiking with. So here we have Saroj sir, and he's going to brief about this hike.
ओके हाई एभ्रिवान आज यो स्विप अन्तर्गत हाइकिङको एउटा कार्यक्रम थियो यसको मूल उद्देश्य चाहिँ गाउँघरमा गएर नेक्स्ट मन्थ हुने वेस्ट बेङ्गालको लेजिस्लेटिभ एसेम्ब्लीको जुन इलेक्सन भइरहेको छ यसको एवेरनेस गर्दै हामी आइरहेको छौँ र यहाँ हाइकर्सहरूले इन्जोयमेन्ट सँगसँगै गाउँ बस्तीमा गएर आगामी महिनामा हुने यो विधानसभाको चुनाव बारेमा पनि जानकारी गराउँदै गइरहेको छ र तपाईँहरूलाई यही निवेदन गर्न चाहन्छु नेक्स्ट मन्थ 17 अप्रिल 2021 को दिन तपाईहरु आफ्नो आफ्नो बुथमा गएर आफ्नो अमूल्य मत खसाल्नु नभुल्नु होला बिकज यो भोट इज योर भोइस थ्यांक यू
So here I have Sunilda, always hiking, always supporting. So yeah, tell us about yourself, Da.
Hello everyone, my name is Sushil Chetri and I'm 26 years old. I have been hiking in Kalimpong since 2 years and we have club, Crayons Hiking Club, and it has been opened up since 2 years. And as you say, this hiking it is a joint program with SEEVP and Kalimpong as well as with Crayons. And we have as main purpose to aware people about the election, which is on 17th of April. So to make our people aware of that and to remind people on 17th to vote and no voters to be left behind. So for that purpose, we have been hiking and we got 22 participants from different places of Kalimpong. And today we have come to Pushir, which is a very beautiful place in Kalimpong, and we are exploring right now. So hope you all like it and enjoyed with us.
Thank you, Da. So here we are stopping here for lunch. So they have cooked some amazing food for us. So yeah, yay for that.
From you looking at my eyes, girl, you know what's in me. Jingle bring the beat alive every time, you know. From you looking at my eyes, girl, you know what's in me. Jingle bring the beat alive every time, you know, girl. Why me, go cry you, whatever. You're sexy and you know that I'm your favorite. Girl and boy, they are lightweight. Don't me gon' love you the right way. Don't get look pretty like that.
I'm doing good, and you're not tired as Darjeeling.
No, I'm not tired.
Really?
Yeah, we have already rested like for 1 or 2 hours. So yeah, I'm good to go.
So finally we got to Laindara, and from here the view is breathtaking, and from here you can see the Testa river at the bottom, and this place is so beautiful. We are literally in the middle of nature and we are surrounded by all green trees, and this is just amazing.
Oh, I don't think that falling in love will happen to us, no matter how hard we try to. but I'm afraid the ship has sailed. 'Cause I don't think you want me here with you, and now you want me gone. Oh.
Yeah, we'll be doing some activities here. So yeah. Now we are going to have some fun, so we are gonna do some activities, and it is called Chinese Whisper. So cute, oh. You have to come home. I mean, I have to say a sentence. What I actually I want to fly. Fly. You want to fly? Okay, that's right. Actually, the message from my side was, I will love you. If you did, then I will kick you. Now we are heading back home. Finally, we have the downhill part, which I love the most. Halt, and here we are going to promote voting. So this is a primary school and people here cast their votes here. So yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Your vote is your voice. Kalimpong, cast your vote on 17th April.
it all true?
Are you ready?
We have finally reached at the end point of this hike. So now let's have some few reviews from the hikers. Now the first review. Ma'am, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling happy, healthy, and exhilarated.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate wasting time. You said soon
Tea
we'll
time.
leave these places alive. How you were looking hella fine, I was still making up my mind. I put them words in the open and they oxidized to fall and golden and heavy in the middle of the room. You were born on.
So before end this video, I wanna take this time to thank all those beautiful, charming people for making one memorable day with me. So see you guys soon in another hike. Bye bye. Take care. Much love.